So in this video I'm gonna compare the Carver surf skate and the 66 surf skate. This is a non-paid video, however 66 did send me one of their boards for free to test out based on my last video with the Carver surf skate, and we're gonna compare the two of them. I'm gonna take Sophie, who's also filming this with me, who's a beginner on both, so she's gonna give us the beginner opinion, and I'm gonna see how many steep hills I can go down. So, I mean, the idea of a surf skate is that it helps you to learn to surf. It teaches you about your body position, using your upper body to turn the board, and you can also generate power on flat ground just by using the power of your body. So yeah, they're pretty good skateboards if you're into surfing, and they're really good bits of kit and fun to have in the back of your car regardless of where you are, and you don't need a hill to go down. So yeah, let's see how small a space we can use them in. You got your board?
Which one am I going to go on? Let's try the old one, yeah? Just how we roll.
Just dare to live a dream, she said to me. I wanna see what life was like if we just dare to live a dream, she said to me.
What board's this?
This is a 66. I'm not very good at this. This is my third time doing this.
Wanna see what life was like if we just dare to live a dream, she said to me. I wanna see what life was like. She said to me, I wanna see what life is like if we just dare to live a dream, she said to me. I wanna see what life was like if we just dare to live a dream, she said to me. I wanna see what life was like if we just dare to live a dream, she said to me. I wanna see what life was like. She said to me, I wanna see what life is like if we just dare to live a dream, she said to me. I wanna see what life is like.
So which board did you prefer?
Quite different, aren't they? What was it? The Carve one?
Carver.
The Carver. I think you have to be a little better than I am, because I found the 66 one looser, and therefore I could direct the board first and then follow with my body weight. I feel the Carver one you have to actually commit to, and I'm a bit scared. Commitment. But a lot of fun, both of them. I don't know, maybe we should ask someone a bit more professional, but still, definitely for someone who doesn't like speed and is into surfing and board sports, I would recommend either one. But for me, I think the 66.
Is that the one you're going to keep?
I think that's the one I'm going to keep. Except my husband just wore the wheel out.
Which one do I get to keep?
Well, I think I quite like them both, because I will be getting better, and so no such thing as too many. I think you get to keep the Carver. You look better on it.